Introducing the new Ego Power Plus Snowblower. With peak power technology and a push start, it starts the first time, every time. Featuring an innovative remote shoot adjustment and a powerful 35-foot throwing distance, it's the first true alternative to gas. And the quick fold handle provides for easy storage and transport. Experience power beyond belief with the new Ego Power Plus Snowblower.
For ultimate strength, made out of the same thick steel as the commercial-grade PowerMax HD.
Battery-powered snowblower will make you wonder why you ever picked up a shovel before. Clearing an 18-inch wide path, it can handle a snow depth of up to 8 inches in one pass. And when you're done, simply return the lithium-ion battery to its docking station for a recharge, and you'll be ready for the next snowfall. Built with an electric motor, the easy-to-start, smooth 40-volt battery operation make it hassle-free. Now this is what we call charging through the snow. The rubber-tipped steel augers make a clean sweep of any snow in its path, and the 180-degree shoot rotation allows you to accurately shoot the snow up to 30 feet away. The large auxiliary handle for carrying make this snowblower perfect for patios and walkways in light to medium snow. A tough, weather-resistant exterior, 1-year warranty, compact size, hassle-free operation, and peace of mind that comes with our national service network means you'll be easily clearing snow for many winters to come. Outsmart Mother Nature. Go with PowerSmart.
Looking for an easy-to-use snowblower that gets the job done in any kind of snow? Then Toro's single-stage line of snowblowers is the right choice for you. Whether it's an inch of fluff, 4 inches of slush, or a foot of deep snow, these machines take the work out of snow removal with the kind of innovative features that have made Toro the technology leader for over 60 years and the #1 brand for single-stage snowblowers in the U.S. Toro's single-stage snowblowers get the job done faster, too, thanks to Toro's Power Curve technology. This technology uses a curved rotor and an inverted funnel housing to move more snow in less time and virtually eliminate clogging. The Power Clear snowblowers feature 18 or 21-inch clearing widths. With Toro's Power Propel self-propel system, a pivoting scraper bar allows the wide rubber paddles to continuously contact the ground, propelling the machine forward to clear snow all the way down to the pavement. Our exclusive quick shoot control lets you change throwing direction without slowing down. And you can adjust throwing distance with a touch of your hand with the easy-to-use zip deflector. So if you're looking for a snowblower that anyone can use to clean up any type of snow, go with the #1 brand of single-stage snowblowers in the U.S. Toro. Efficient, innovative, lightweight performers that are rugged enough to count on all winter long. Toro. Count on it.